Hello and welcome back to Introduction to Astronomy. My name is Paul Eric and I teach physics and astronomy at Ozarks Technical Community College in Springfield, Missouri. And this set of videos is the video version of the lectures that I give my students in my Introduction to Astronomy class. So last time in lesson number 6 we were talking about light and properties of light, and in this lesson number 7, we're going to be talking about where does that light come from. So we need to talk about the structure of the atom, and then how does it absorb light, and then how does it emit light, and then how can we use that light to tell us various properties of stars. So in this particular lesson, we're going to learn what an atom is. We'll know what protons, electrons, and neutrons are, explain what holds the atom together, explain where the electrons live inside the atom, and then state the number of protons an atom has if you're given a periodic table, know what an ion is, know what valence electrons are, know what the magic number in chemistry is and where the most reactive elements are located at in the periodic table. Then we're going to talk about how atoms can absorb energy and then how they give off that energy in the form of light. And then we're going to talk about emission spectrums, also continuous spectrums and absorption spectrums, and then also the various kinds of information that we can tell about a star if we know the light given off by that star. So your resources, you might want to be reading Chapter 5 out of The Essential Cosmic Perspective by Bennett. And then if you're really into chemistry, this p-table, www.ptable.com, is an electronic periodic table, and so if you click on the various elements on there, it gives you all sorts of information about those elements. Then there is a crash course episode available, so this is episode 24. You should have started on that video in the previous lesson, and now I want you to finish it. And then World of Chemistry. So this is found at www.learner.org, and it's an entire series of videos about chemistry. We're not going to get into chemistry in that much detail, but you should know what the atom is. So there's an episode on that. There's an episode on the periodic table, and then there's also an episode on light given off by atoms, which is what we're talking about. So you might want to watch those 3 episodes if you want. Okay, in our next segment, we are going to start by talking about what atoms are. So I'll see you there.